Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. Here we've got basic options like visited website tabs and cookies, cache and other site data. You can change the time range, it's up to you, and tap on Delete Data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on More Options, and here we've got it, so saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range. I'll choose all time and then tap on Delete Data, and basically this is it. We just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.